Let us talk about what we have discussed so far in the Git related stuff. So let's see in the form of quiz. So what I would suggest that uh, you just pause the video whenever I ask for the answer, and then try to give that answer by yourself. So let us see the first question. Which command is used to create a new local repository? Git clone, Git start, Git init, or Git create? Pause the video. Answer is Git init. After running Git init, which command helps you to check the status of the check the current state of files? Git log, Git status, Git diff, or Git show command? Pause the video. Answer is Git status. Now, question number 3 is, which command stages a single file name business access layer.java file? So git add dot git business access layer.java, or it is business git commit stage business access layer.java, git commit business access layer.java. Pause the video. Answer is this one. What does the command git rm -- cached business access layer.java do? It deletes the file permanently. It removes the file from working directory. It removes the file from the staging area only. It deletes the repository. Pause the video. Yeah, so the answer is C. It removes the file from the staging area. Let us see next question, which is question number 5. Which command stages all modified and new files at once? Git add asterisk, git add -a, git add cached, git stage all. So the answer is git add -a. Why is git commit called git repository snapshot? Delete all the files, old files. It copies files to GitHub. It saves the current state of the staged files. It compresses the file. Pause the video. So answer is C. It saves the current state of the staged file. Okay. So that is basically git commit. Now let us see question number 7 and 8. Which two configurations are mandatory before creating a commit? Repository name and branch, username and password, author name and email, remote URL and token. Pause the video. Okay. So the answer is author name and email. Question number 8. Which command sets the global Git username? Git config user.name global user, Git config -- local user.name global user, Git config -- global user.name global user, Git set global user.name. Pause the video and answer this question. So the answer is C. Right? Now, let us see next question, which is, where does local Git configuration is applied? To entire system, all the repository of the user, only the current repository, remote repository, local Git configuration file. Pause the video. So it will be applied only to the current repository. Question number 10. Which command shows commit history in a single line format? Git log one line, Git status, Git show. Pause the video and answer this question. So the answer is Git log one line. Okay. So far, whatever we have discussed, so this quiz is related to that. All right. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.